YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest, Fluffy, and Alvin. He's gonna be trying my Mexican snacks that I made from scratch, and you're gonna have to rate it from 1 fire to 10 fires.
Okay.
Because it's spicy, you get it?
Yeah. Oh, so it's like, do I rate it from like how spicy it is, or like?
No, I'm just gonna put like fire emojis.
How likely I would be to eat it again.
Your like.
My like.
Like,
Gotcha.
do you like it?
So 1 to 5 fires, or 1 to 10 fires?
Do you want to do 1 through 5 or 1?
Let's do 1 through 5.
Okay, I'm gonna have you choose your first snack. Oh, and I have provided water for you in case you need water.
Guess we might as well knock it out of the park, yeah? This thing right here.
That's a big mama.
Oh, it's the big mama?
Actually, what's his name? He had a name on his tag. Bring him up, bring him up.
Bring him out.
Oh, bring him out. Pop culture is not my thing.
It's actually hip hop. Who sang it?
So we're gonna start with la sandia loca. This lovely is a watermelon cut beautifully like a flower. We have our fruit skewers.
Oh, yeah.
Which he's picking at because they have no chile. The good stuff is in the middle. It has mango, pineapple, no, not pineapple because it was rotten, cucumber, and watermelon.
Oh, wait, hold up.
Yeah.
All right, cucumber? I'm gonna go.
Okay. What do you rate this one?
Well, the skewer.
Not the skewer.
5 fuegos. That though, I'm gonna give it a 2. I'm just not a fan of like spiciness or chili with my fruits. I believe my fruits should stay sweet.
This is good. This is for days. Just one more.
Make sure you brush your teeth before you kiss me.
I don't know, man. I don't know if you're ready for Mexico.
I'm only gonna eat tacos and burritos, like sopes, guaraches.
Oh gosh. Next snack. What will it be? Pick your poison.
What is this?
Okay, this is a strawberry covered with white chocolate.
Oh.
And on top, I put mazapan, which is a traditional Mexican candy that is peanut flavored.
I am not here to insult the culture.
Yes, please don't.
All right. That. So, those were the 2 fuegos leaving my body.
You're so annoying.
Here we go.
Don't eat the stem though.
I was gonna do like the whole thing.
I left it because it looks nicer,
So glad you stopped me.
but you should take it off.
I would have ate like Littlefoot from Land Before Time. Oh, the leaf. Oh yeah, this slaps.
From 1 to 5 fuegos, what do you rate this?
4.5. Yeah.
Editor, cut the emoji in half. You got it, Cheryl. What's the next snack?
Are these also considered snacks?
We have Mexican boba right over here. We have mangoneada right over here. She's dripping right now.
That looks diabolical.
We have chicharones. We have all varieties.
I did 2 eats, so I might as well do a drink, right? Let's go. Make a hand. Let's do the bubble.
The Mexican boba.
Yeesh.
Can I just let you know that this is a recycled boba straw?
Where'd you get this?
When you get boba, I keep them. Save the earth, everyone.
Here I go!
Be honest, what do you rate my boba?
It's 1 fuego. I'm sorry. I can't. Again, same thing that happened here. Now it's in liquid form.
What is the next snack that you will be choosing? We still have the hot Cheetos.
Okay. Well, let's do this. Okay.
So you like it?
Really unhealthy.
Yeah, it's really unhealthy.
I will say that slaps. 5 fuegos. All right. This one.
This is your next one?
This is the next one.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you try it the way Mexicans eat it.
Okay.
With lime and chile, tapatio and valentina. But I will also let you pick non-spicy ones.
Cool. Those the one leaving the body.
Wow.
It's not bad.
Now, the one with chile. The soggy ones are the best.
This is definitely soggy. Like I'm chewing gum. It's not bad. 4 stars. I mean, 4 fuegos. 4 fuegos.
Next snack.
Let's just do the diabolical one. Look, I say the word diabolical, not in a way where it feels like it looks terrible. More so like this looks busy.
Well, it's a mango ñada. It's mango slushy.
Okay. Disclaimer, I'm not a fan of fruits with spice. However, that's not bad. 4 fuegos.
Woohoo! You have to lick the sides too.
Yeah? I'm good.
And lastly, the elotes. The elotes.
There's like 3 of them.
We chose hot Cheetos.
It's like a diversity inclusion for Elotes.
HR hit us hard, so we had to come back with
Whoa.
inclusivity.
Whoa. We're gonna have to talk about this.
We have our white Latino, we have our brown Latino, and we have our crazy Latino.
Oh. Oh.
You like it? Oh, he likes it.
Woo!
What do you
This
rate?
thing right here?
Hot Cheetos.
5.
Wow.
All time when you need someone.
We're gonna fast forward while he eats.
There is a light. There is a light.
Wait. What do you rate? It's gone. What do you rate the middle one that was like kind of spicy?
Duplicate me. 5 fuegos. 5 fuegos. Fueguissimo. I made it a word. Shout out to my musicians out there who know what a fortissimo is. I just put fortissimo and fuego and put it together and made it fueguissimo.
Okay. Can I bite it? You're not sharing?
I'm sorry, is this your video?
Oh, yes, it's my video. Bring it over here.
Sorry, you wouldn't like it. I'm just take it back.
I'm good.
Yeah? It's good.
Okay. So,
5 fuegos. I will say out of all 3 elotes though, the middle one and the Cheetos one for me.
oh really?
Yeah, I'd be down to do this again.
So we learned that you don't like spices on your food.
Yeah, I don't like
Your
spices
fruit.
on my fruits.
Okay.
Don't make no sense. I mean, I'll do a spicy salad, but that's a vegetable. No, but like I was definitely down for sweet. I was down for salty. I was down for spicy, but I'm not down for sweet and spicy.
Well, thank you so much for trying food from my country.
Of course.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and let us know what your favorite snack was or your least favorite snack.
Peace.
What was your least favorite snack?
Definitely that.
That.
Yes. Oh, nope. Not.
Sandia loca.
Sandia loca is too loca for me.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look at the video.